Are you exploring LinkedIn and social selling for your sales team? Or even looking to improve on a program you already have so that your sales reps are filling that pipeline on a consistent basis? If so, and you're a marketing or sales leader or business owner, then you won't want to miss this upcoming free web class, 8 Stages to Rolling Out a Successful Social Selling Program. I'm Brynne Tillman, and I'm really excited to share some of my top tips and strategies that I have shared with my Fortune 500 clients that have had a huge impact on their business development efforts. We're going to discuss setting the right KPIs, buyer mapping so that sales reps can find the exact targeted market, developing a playbook that has strategies and messaging that makes implementing a social selling program simple for the sales reps, and so much more. Well, if you're excited about learning some of these top strategies, then make sure you register on the link below. I'm really looking forward to seeing you and your team there.